customer service is just not what it used to be. After signing my lease for the new apartment, I needed to buy a new floor for the room I would move in because there wasn't one in there. So on December the 15th, I went to the store where you buy floor stuff, and since they didn't have the ones I liked there, I ordered one. December 15th. And they said they would call me as soon as it arrived. So I waited, and it became Christmas. I waited, and then New Year's went past, and I waited. We had the apartment from January 1st, but were able to get in there after Christmas, so we had a week to move in. I couldn't do anything because there wasn't a floor, and you can't build a bed or boards or anything without a freaking floor. Okay, then I was sick, I couldn't do anything anyways, but that's beside the point, they didn't know that. And then on January 3rd, I called the store and was like, hi, I was just wondering, is my floor there yet? And they were like, oh, let me check. No, it's not, but on the order it says that it should be here on January the 5th, so that's in 2 days, that's okay, isn't it? Yeah, okay, whatever. So on Monday, I called again, and asked, is my floor there yet? No. Well, let me check. Oh, it is on the track. Great! It's on the track! So, you know, when it will arrive, maybe... anything? No. Sometime this week, maybe? Okay. On Thursday at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I called again. Is it there yet? Oh yeah, it is. Great! Why didn't you say anything? Oh, it arrived today. You're probably on the list of people to call. And then I cracked. I mean, I didn't lose my temper, because I don't like to do that. Maybe got a bit bitchy, but first of all, they could have told me that it will take at least 2 weeks to get there, because then I would have gotten another thing. I don't have the time for 2 weeks waiting. Then, if they have trouble with a guy who gets the freaking floor to Hamburg, they could call the customers. I pay rent for an apartment that I don't live in yet. And yes, I didn't tell them that I have a room at my parents' house, but said that I would sleep on a friend's sofa, but that's not the point. The point is that I couldn't move in to my new apartment. And I'm so annoyed. But now I have a floor and a bed by now. And next week we will get the whole other stuff in there and we'll finally move in. About a month later than planned. I'm annoyed.